The one-day sensitization workshop organized for education agencies in the country saw a cross-section of stakeholders in the sector. In his remarks, the Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Education, Mr. Andrew Adejo, commended TETFUND's contribution to funding education and called for collective efforts by other education agencies to collaborate with TETFUND to bridge the gaps hindering growth in the sector. While delivering his address, the Executive Secretary TETFUND, Architect Sonny Echono, said following emerging issues in the education sector, there is need to foster open dialogue with stakeholders for effective progress considering the functions of TETFUND.
That is why this engagement of emerging issues today is very important for TETFUND to become better and for you to produce better.
To this end, we propose organizing an implementation support workshop on key performance indicators in employability.
In his presentation, the Pro-Chancellor, National Open University, Professor Peter Oyebukola, emphasized on academic planning for institutions to overcome these emerging challenges in funding education.
Monitoring of scholars by TETFUND, which requires that they travel to virtually all universities where scholars are. This is sheer waste of taxpayers' money.
In their goodwill messages, stakeholders called for continuous engagement in tackling emerging issues for qualitative funding of the education sector.
I want to state our commitment and the resolve of the National Assembly, particularly the House of Representatives, to offer a wealth of experience and support.
The National Universities Commission can attest to the diligent effort of the leadership and staff of TETFUND in diverse areas such as TAG, NRF, and sustainable research and physical infrastructure.
The importance of tackling emerging challenges in the academic and infrastructural development of the education sector cannot be overlooked. Chu Kaunghai, ITV News.